Hey, I sat down too hard after a long day of terrorizing campers, and now there's a giant rip in my seat. You think your magic can fix that?
Don't worry, Bigfoot. I got you. On my way, just don't disappear on me this time. Man, you are a vinyl magician.